Unlock the secrets of horizontal scrolling. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to unravel the mysteries of a term you've likely encountered in the digital age: horizontal scrolling. Whether you're navigating websites, reading online documents, or exploring digital content, understanding this concept will enhance your digital literacy and internet navigation skills. So, let's get started and discover everything there is to know about horizontal scrolling. Horizontal scrolling refers to the action or ability to move the visible area of a web page, document, or application side to side, rather than the more common up and down motion known as vertical scrolling. This method is especially useful for viewing wide content that cannot fit entirely on a single screen. It allows users to navigate through content horizontally, offering a different perspective and approach to interacting with digital environments. Horizontal scrolling is not as commonly used as vertical scrolling, but it has its specific purposes and advantages. It's often employed in web design to create unique and engaging layouts that stand out from the traditional vertical scroll experience. Viewing large tables or images, which require additional space beyond the vertical limits of a screen. Navigating through timelines or multimedia content, where a horizontal layout provides a more intuitive user experience. This scrolling method enhances user engagement by offering a dynamic way to present and explore content, making the digital journey more interactive and visually appealing. Navigating with horizontal scrolling can be done through various methods. Scroll bars, clicking and dragging the horizontal scroll bar at the bottom of your screen. Mouse wheel or touchpad. Some devices allow horizontal scrolling by holding down a modifier key, such as Shift, while using the mouse wheel or by swiping sideways on a touchpad. Keyboard arrows. Using the left and right arrow keys to move horizontally across content. Touch screens. Swiping left or right on touch-sensitive screens to move through content. Understanding these methods will make your online experience smoother and more enjoyable, as you'll be able to move through content with ease. We hope this video has shed light on the concept of horizontal scrolling and how it plays a vital role in our digital lives. Remember, knowing how to efficiently navigate through digital content not only enhances your English language skills but also broadens your understanding of modern technology. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to exploring more exciting topics with you in the future. Stay curious, and happy learning!